Alright, so welcome back to White House Farm. What we're doing today, we're going to go ahead and we're going to be drilling some cement out here, and we're going to be installing these little solar lights. And they're going to be placed on each side of the steps here, so at nighttime it'll make a nice bright pathway so you can see where the stairs are coming up. So that's what we're doing today. Let's go ahead and get in here and get started. So I don't want them mounted on the sides. Let's go ahead and get some marks in here. And we got our two little marks. You can just take a Sharpie or something and do it that way. But let's go ahead and drill these out. Now we could step it up to the 5/16. That was a 1/4 inch hole we did. Lines right up. Alright, these should be able to fit in there now. Yep. And we'll put the other one in. Alright, now we'll put our lock washer on. And the nut. And now we can go ahead and tighten it up on there. Alright, let's go ahead and do this side now. Alright, and to mark our drill, we're going to go ahead and take this piece and we're going to measure the length of it here, and then we're going to put a piece of tape on there so we know how far to drill in. Alright, so there we go. All right, let's go ahead and put 2 more down here. All right, one thing I don't like about this, it's such a tight fit with the nuts on here that you can hardly get anything in there to tighten them up. So just be aware of that. Some of them I couldn't put the washer and lock washer on and turn it. I think it's just, this needs to be carved out a little bit more. All right, so we got those installed. Like I said, it's really tough getting them to lock in all the way. Suggestion maybe is maybe drill out this hole a little bit bigger so it has more room for the nut, because like I said, some of them I was able to get the washer and the lock washer on with the nut, and other ones I was only able to get just the nut on. So yeah, I think it's just a design flaw. So either you could drill a bigger hole so you can actually get, you know, your drill or impact in there to fit, or your 10 mil wrench to go ahead and turn it. You could also maybe take some metal out of here, grind this down a little bit, give it a little more room, just because it's a really tight fit. Some of them, like I said, work good, other ones not so good. So that's definitely a con with these, but they seem to work good. But I got them in there. I had to do a little improvising, but yeah. So we'll check back here in a little bit, see how they look at nighttime. I also did drill in, which was a lot easier, and then you don't have to worry about modifying these at all. I drilled 2 in our steps down here to give us light. So, and that's just regular screws. So they do go good into wood, but if you're putting them into cement with those anchors, you might have some issues like I did. But other than that, we're all set, and we'll check back here once it gets dark and see how it looks. So I actually decided I'm going to throw a couple on here as well. So nighttime we can actually see the handles here and stuff, and it'll light it up. Alright, so there's 2 on there now. And we'll put 1 more down by the old squirrel cage. So basically you can mount these anywhere you want. So now we'll have some lights on there. All right, let's mount a couple by the pool here. All right, so we got those mounted too. I don't know if they'll turn on tonight because the sun's pretty much gone. All right, so here we go. Now we got lights on the stairs. Looks pretty cool. Awesome. And here's our other ones there. Heading up the stairs. All right, so it's dark out now and we're all done for today. And we're all set. So if you're looking to order some of those, I'll leave a link in the description. Like I said, you do have to do some modifications to them. If you are putting them in the cement, I noticed that they're not all exactly on. So just be aware of that. Other than that, if you're putting them into wood or other stuff, like over on the sheds and the pool there and on this deck here, it works great. But once again, we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo.
Bye, guys.